If it's been a while since you last worked out, starting again can feel overwhelming, but you're not alone, and it's never too late to begin. Regular exercise offers powerful benefits for both your body and mind, and you don't need to jump in all at once. With the right mindset and a few simple steps, you can build a routine that feels manageable, enjoyable, and sustainable. In this video, we'll guide you through smart, realistic ways to ease back into fitness at your own pace. Let's get started. Best workouts for beginners. Just walking for a few extra minutes each day can really make a difference. Plus, being outside in the fresh air, especially around nature, can really boost your mental health. Do bodyweight exercises. It's important to follow a well-rounded exercise routine that includes both cardio and strength training. But when you're a novice lifter, getting a gym membership, let alone working out in front of people, can feel a little overwhelming and expensive. Luckily, there are a lot of strength training exercises you can do anywhere without any supplies except your own body. Spinning is great for beginners since it's easy to adjust to your fitness level. Plus, classes offer social support from instructors and fellow riders, making it fun and motivating. Yoga might not be what you think of when you think of working out, but it's a great way to stretch and increase flexibility. Like spinning, it's also a workout that's easily modifiable, so you can start simple and move on to more complex positions as your body becomes stronger and more flexible. Swimming is a fun, low-impact workout that boosts heart health without stressing your joints. A few sessions a week can improve fitness and mental well-being. Exercising for beginners. Start slow and low impact. Avoid high-intensity workouts at first to prevent injury. Learn your limits, go easy on your body, and gradually build strength and endurance. Set realistic goals. Instead of vague goals like get fit, aim for specific ones like working out 3 times a week or jogging a full lap within a month. Follow a balanced weekly routine. Aim for 150 minutes of moderate cardio and strength training twice a week. Spread workouts across the week and include at least one rest day. Warm up and cool down. Always ease into and out of workouts to prevent stiffness and soreness. Do your activity at a slower pace to help your body adjust. Stay hydrated and eat well. Drink plenty of water and eat a balanced diet with fruits, veggies, lean proteins, healthy fats, and whole grains to fuel your workouts. Choose fun exercises. Stick to activities you enjoy, whether it's walking, dancing, or cycling. You're more likely to stay consistent if you're having fun. Work out with a buddy. Exercising with a friend makes workouts more enjoyable and helps keep you motivated and accountable. Watch exercise videos for convenience. You don't need a gym to get fit. YouTube has tons of free workout videos. Find a trainer and style you like and enjoy the flexibility to pause or stop anytime. Use an exercise app to stay on track. Many free apps can help you meet your goals like Couch to 5K or Pacer. Search for one that matches your fitness style and keep yourself motivated. Reward yourself after workouts. Motivate yourself with small rewards like a movie or a treat. Bigger goals can earn bigger rewards, like new gear or something fun you've been eyeing. Be kind to yourself. Progress takes time. Don't expect overnight results. Go at your own pace, celebrate small wins, and remember, every little step counts. Benefits of getting in shape. Getting in shape boosts your overall quality of life. Just 150 minutes of moderate exercise per week can improve brain health, support weight management, and reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and some cancers. It also enhances mental health, sharpens thinking, and helps reduce depression and anxiety, especially as you age. Thanks for watching.